Introducing your Miss South Africa Top 16.
Hi everyone, I'm Xia Narain. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Durban, KZN. I have recently finished my degree in general and industrial psychology, and my plan is to further my studies and do my honors in clinical psychology. I love psychology and I chose to do it because I'm super intrigued by how the mind works and why people behave the way they do. I'm also an international ramp and commercial model. I've done fashion weeks in Durban, Johannesburg, Cape Town, Istanbul, and basically all around Asia and Europe. I am extremely passionate about kids. Growing up, kids were always around my family. We always looked after them and cared for them, and I feel like it is my duty to be there for them, to tell them and explain to them how important education is, and to motivate them to just achieve and do really well in their life. This year, the 61st Miss South Africa will be announced on Women's Day. My Women's Day wish for all of our South African women is to always feel empowered and know that you are beautiful and capable. A woman that inspires me is my former drama teacher, Mrs. Yuji. She was just so selfless and such a gem of a person. She always put others' needs above her own, and she treated everyone like they were special. Vote for me to be part of your top 10 of Miss South Africa 2019, which will be showing on the 9th of August, Women's Day, from 5, exclusive to Mnet and Mzansi Magic.
Vote for your favorite, the 61st Miss South Africa, Friday 9th August, live at 5, in association with LFP and Sun International.